Justin, the Red Island Shaver, coming at you with the weekend video. So as you know from outside the den, this weekend we are looking at Stirling Sharp Dressed Man. So we will get right into it. Brush for today is going to be my Spiffo brush, Murdoch, with 24mm Luxido knot. As you can see from the video, we still have the sample pushed down in the bowl. This bowl is ribbed for lather pleasure. And with the sample being spread out like that, it just gives a good even load to the bristles of the brush. As you can see, that's loading up quite nicely already. I just add a touch of water into there. Very nice scent. I looked up green Irish tweed for educational purposes. I will put the scent notes in the description down below. But green Irish tweed is made up of lemon verbena, iris, there's some ambergris or ambergris, violet leaves, and sandalwood, I do believe. Just a nice masculine cologne-like scent. And this has come together quite nice. I think that will be sufficient. So we will place the bowl over there, and we get right into lathering. Hope everybody's having a wondrous day. I'm actually doing this video on Friday, but I'm going to post it on Saturday. Said it's a nice sunny day out, and I don't know what the weather's going to be like tomorrow, and I find it easier to shave when the sun is on the back side of the house in the afternoon. So I figured I would take advantage of some sun. So here we are in the den. It's not the strongest smelling soap that I have used. Scent strength is about a 5. Of course, it is a sample. It has been sitting out for a couple days, but I know when I first opened it out of the baggie, it wasn't overly offensive as far as scent strength goes either. And I don't know if this was a fresh sample when this was sent to me, or if this one was sitting around for a little while before it, somebody gave it to somebody and then gave it to somebody else and sent it to me. So I really don't know the lineage of this sample. It is a very pleasant scent though, I can tell you right away. I do like it. Green Irish tweed smells very good, I can tell. Add a little bit more water and I think we're good to go. Wonderful scrub on this brush. I absolutely love it. You get lather everywhere. It does make a nice lather. Brush is fairly well full of it. I think we will go with that. I don't think it's going to take any more water. I think it may start collapsing if I get it too hydrated. That looks to be sufficient for a 3-pass shave plus a touch-up. Clean up the work areas. Actually wearing a t-shirt today because I couldn't find my my shaving shirt. This is a shaving shirt in a way though. This is see here, get up here. Spiffo. So kind of funny I'm using the Spiffo brush, right? And the razor for today, I'm gonna break out Wade. Haven't used this bad boy for a little while. So I figured, why not? I absolutely love this razor. Big old extra hollow, I think it is. It's so shiny I can't really read what the blade says. The celebrated extra hollow ground. Yeah, extra hollow. So only have 1 day's worth of growth. This should handle it quite nicely. And away we go. nice. Very slick soap. We all know Stirling is known for its slickness, and this is no exception. Beautiful. Oh, the edge on that razor is as smooth as the day I got it from Randy. Absolutely love that razor. The best $20 antique store find I think I will ever get. We'll lather up for the second pass. Lather's holding up nicely in the scuttle with the distilled water. Look at the brush there after the second application of skin surfactant. Say that 5 times fast. Second application of skin surfactant. I'm just making stuff up now as we go along. We're gonna have some fun with this one. And away we go. Beautiful. I love these extra hollow grounds on a day, 2 days worth of growth. Or I should say extra hollow ground. Now, for my particular beard growth, if I was to have like 4 or 5 days worth of growth, I would not reach for this razor. It's nothing to do with the edge. The edge is razor sharp. Just I find the hollow grounds on, and the extra hollows, especially for my particular beard, on 4 or 5 days worth of growth, it just leads to a really uncomfortable first pass. And that's not what you want. Find it a little bit tuggy, a little bit pulley. It's got nothing to do with the razor. It's just a hollow ground or an extra hollow grind is not really designed to tug or to work its way through coarse hair and a lot of it. Full props to this soap. It is nice and slick, I will tell you that. This razor is gliding incredibly well, as you can see. especially for this pass because this is against the grain, nice shallow angle. And no pressure on the razor, just let the razor glide on that soap. And there we have it for the straight razor portion. As always, I'm going to just get the neckline here. Mustache area. Lather is held up very nice. Leading to an incredibly comfortable shave, which is good. Actually really enjoying this one. I haven't used a straight razor much in the last couple weeks, to be honest. I've been really lazy with the shaving. It's been kind of dark and gray and shitty out. Kind of hard to see. And I know I don't really need to be able to see what I'm doing all that clearly. I know what I'm doing now. That's all I feel anyway. So I just get lazy. And we're going to the post. Nice residual slickness. Now my skin's always a little bit rough right after the shave. I know after about 10 minutes it will calm down. And I can tell it's pretty much going to be an all over BBS. Here maybe just I left a little bit, but with those against the grain passes with a straight razor, you don't want to dig in. You want to go at a nice shallow angle. You want to be careful because that's the angle that really, if you're probably going to get bit, that's when you're going to get bit. Because you're going against those coarse hairs. Coarse hairs don't like that, so sometimes I miss a couple. That's okay. Go with the lemon witch hazel. But all in all, feels like a good shave. No irritation. Me likey. But yeah, like I was saying, I was getting lazy there. So I don't really need to be able to see what I'm doing. I just get lazy and frustrated, but really, it was a good shave. I think the skills are still there. The technique is still there. I mean, even with the shavette, you know, I like to use that for a good week's growth. Feels good. Nice light touch, and that's the facial hairs just melt away. So Ken, beautiful guy that he is, also sent me a sample of the splash of Sharp Dressed Man. So, oh yeah, it smells good. Try and get some onto the palm of the hand here without losing the note. Oh yeah. Alcohol based. Most definitely. Alcohol based. Just a little bit of a tingle over here. May have gotten a little close. Oh, yeah, it smells good. That's what the soap should smell like. So this one, obviously, it's a splash, a little bit heavier scented. Very, very nice scent. Very well done. All right, so that's the shave, guys. Once again, it was Stirling Sharp Dressed Man, a sample from Ken. We had a sample of the splash. Used the Spiffo Murdoch brush. Still a fair bit of lather in there. I could squeeze another pass or two out of that. No problem. And my beautiful Wade and Butcher, the Celebrated. I don't know if I get that in the camera. But Wade & Butcher, the celebrated, restored by Randy at First Canadian. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please stay tuned for another edition of Outside the Den later on in the week. And that's it for today. So as always, friends, have a great day and an even better shave, and we'll catch you in the next one.